Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kyle and I'm back with another video. It's been a long time since I ever posted a video and I'm sorry for that, but I have my iPad. I deleted the app that I needed, but now I have my computer. Okay. I'm stupid. Okay. That was creepy, but okay. I don't know why I'm acting so weird, but TT, okay, I just need to calm down right now, Jesus. So hyper, it's night, Jesus. Right, so, I got something to show you guys while making a video because I want you to know stuff about me. So, the first thing is that I don't really know if people like my videos because I don't really post that much. In my earlier videos I made it's been like 2013, 2014 since I made a video. Don't know why, but I got some stuff to show you. My stuffed animal collection, as you can see right there. What should I do? Oh yeah, we got another one on top here. And my brother, he cut off his tail. Well, didn't cut off of it, but it like ripped off. So I'm sad for that, but it does this. So yeah. That's what, oh yeah, his name is Bob. Pretty much all of them are named Bob. I don't know why, but it's just Bob. It's a standing out name. It just stands out there on the wide open, just waiting for somebody to pick it. It's like so easy to remember. It's like B.O.B. Home that. It's freaking, I don't know, man. But that's Bob. And this is Dragony. I call him that. He's Dragon, obviously. And what I like to do with him, sometimes I like to throw him at my wall, and then like freaking imagine he's gonna climb up it. I don't know why, but I'm stupid. Okay. So yeah, basically Dragony. Next one, Clownfish. I call him Clowny. He looks like Nemo. He is Nemo. Got him at a store. I got him at Target. Looks stupid, but he's a clownfish. He's a stuffed animal. And I did this to my parents one time. I walked into their room like this. Yeah, that's stupid. Okay. Next one, Lion King. This is not the real Lion King, but Circle of Life. Just kidding. So, I don't really know what I'd like to do with this one, except pet its fur. It's soft. Right here. That's Lion King. And this is his brother. I like to call him Car. Well, it's Scar, but without the S. The S is silent. Just kidding. It's Car. I don't know why I'm calling that, but no, I'm gonna change his name right now. I'm gonna give him a name that's unique. Poogie. There we go, Poogie. Cause I don't know why, but his name is your new name is Poogie, okay? Alright. Or whatever. Whatevs. YOLO. That's stupid. I said a lot. I said I'm stupid a lot in this video. Oh, I got this one. Next one. I got this one for my 5th or 4th birthday. For my best friend who lived across the street from me. I forget where we used to live in, but I don't know, but I mean, it's really cool having this. Like, brings back a lot of memories. I can just imagine them right now. Alright. Next one. This thing right here. Chameleon. Call him Charmy. Oh yeah, I haven't said this guy's name is. Wait, what did I call you? I forgot. Whatever. Okay. So this is Chameleon. I thought I said his name wrong. I thought I said like Charmy. Like, yeah, I don't know, whatever. But I like drawing him around like this. Drawing him by his tail. Woo! Figure 8. Yeah. So I like that about him. Next up, Pandy. Pandy loves doing the splits. Yeah. So that's Pandy. Next one is Horsey. Horsey got broke because you hear that? Like there's a noise inside of him, but it will like he used to like neigh. I mean he doesn't now, but whatever. Right. This is Teddy. And meet his father, Toddy. I mean, they're not alike, but they're family, right? They're bears and crap. I got these from Toys R Us. They sell a lot of stuffed animals, I think. I don't know. But I got it there. From Pies Prize machine. And yeah, that's basically that one. See ya, Teddy and Toddy. Okay, next one. I forget his name too, but I got him for my like 5th or 7th birthday, I think, and I'm 9 right now, so yeah, so that's him. And this is my last one, literally like last one. I got this in Colorado. It says Colorado right here, so I'm guessing this was from Colorado. Look, see it? Colorado, right there. It's funny that Colorado has freaking color in it. Color? Look, you see it? But without the E, it's like the E is replaced with the freaking O. Wait, no, I'm dumb. It's not freaking an E. Color. It's color is spelled color, like not like to draw color, just like the color thingy. That's how you spell this in Colorado. Hey, and this guy's name is Bouffalont. I named him after a Pokemon because Pokemon was special to me in there. And like this year, it was like 2013 when I got him, but I mean, it wasn't a really big thing in 2013, but I named him after a Pokemon because I watched it. So yeah, that's all my stuffed animals. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.